If you run a service business and your calendar depends on human effort, here's something you need to hear. You don't need a sales team, you don't need SDRs, appointment setters, or follow-up VAs. You need an AI that closes, because here's the truth. Every founder we work with thought their bottleneck was lead quality, but what we found was this: the real bottleneck was the human being in the middle. So we replaced them with an AI sales agent that handles the first contact, answers objections, qualifies leads, books calls automatically, without needing sleep, bonuses, or management. And the results: higher conversions, lower costs, total control. Let me show you how we did it. Part 1. Why human-first sales teams break at scale. Human sales teams sound like a good idea until they don't. Here's what we saw again and again. You generate 100 leads, your rep follows up with 30, 12 respond, 5 show up, not because the leads were bad, but because the follow-up was slow, the pitch wasn't consistent, or your representative didn't even follow the script. Now multiply that by 12 months. That's hundreds of calls lost because one person couldn't keep up. And if you're like most businesses, you're paying per lead. That's wasted money. But what if instead of depending on humans, you had a digital agent who never misses a beat? Part 2, how the AI sales agent closes for you. We built something we now call the Authority Agent. It's not a chatbot, it's not a help desk. It's a trained AI model that behaves like your best closer. Here's what it does: engages your leads within seconds, uses your approved language and voice, handles questions, hesitation, objections, scores, and qualifies leads, then books them directly to your calendar. Think of it like cloning your best salesperson, but making them work 24/7 without burnout. Part 3, case study plus quantified results. Let me tell you about Medellin. She runs a financial advisory firm. Before us, $8,000 per month on ads, 30 to 40 leads per month, 3 to 5 calls booked, 1 to 2 closes. After installing her Authority Agent, Harvard spend, 200 plus conversations a month, 40 to 50 qualified calls, 15 to 20 in new clients. That's 5 times more revenue without touching her ad campaigns or hiring new staff. This is the hidden multiplier no one talks about, because it's not about more leads, it's about more of the right conversations. Part 4, plug and play, no tech needed. Now you might be thinking, I'm not techie. I don't know how to build AI. That's the best part. We do it all for you. We build the agent persona, write and train your responses, set the logic, the filters, the calendar sync, integrate it into your website, funnel, or DMs. In under 7 days, your digital closer is live. You don't need code. You don't need a new funnel. You don't need to babysit another team member. You just need a system that works while you sleep. If you're tired of paying for leads that ghost, wasting hours on calls that go nowhere, hiring and firing reps who don't perform, then it's time to let an AI do what a human can't. Close with consistency, qualify with confidence, and scale you without stress. Book your free 30 minutes strategy session. We'll show you what your agent should say, where it fits in your flow, and what results to expect in 30 days. No pitch, no fluff, just clarity. I'm Anukool from AuthorityVideos, and it's cool when we build an autopilot system for you.